Hey, what's up everyone? This is Cowboy B over here at Wet Jet Performance, and I wanted to show you one of our brand new wet seats, how the difference in quality is from OEM. I see a lot of people complaining that their OEM rips and gets split, but I mean, come on fellas, let's be for real. At the end of the day, it is a $20,000 machine, but the seat from OEM is not made that great. This one is cut off. It's made good enough. I mean, you get what you pay for, but I mean, some of us are 250, 300. We're bouncing up and down, riding on the water, out in the weather. It ain't like your car where there's no water splashing on or anything. There is some wear and tear. So after, a year, 20 hours, whether it's 100, 150, once a year goes by, I mean, that's it. If they fix you, great. But if you upgrade to a wet jet seat or most aftermarket seats, man, they're so much better. Look on the inside, how they're made. The suede, this is made to hold up. These don't rip, but you're gonna pay for it. So versus this, it comes with it. But just like your OEM stereo in a car, aftermarket's always better, always bangs. The OEM is just good enough. Same here. Not the same. Look on the inside here. Look on the inside here. More padding, more thickness. This is just enough to get you by. So it's okay. I'm not here to rag on it because I'm pro Seadoo, love Seadoo, but I also love making things better and making things custom, because what you were looking at was an rxpx seat, and man, you can't beat that. OEM's not even close. You got the carbon, you got the double diamond, same thing for the rxtx. Very nice, but it's very thin and doesn't hold up to like an aftermarket seat. So this has been Cowboy B. I just wanted to show you guys the differences, and go ahead and buy one of those wet seats. Peace.